Pick up this segment with some health-related matters because 7 months after Hurricane Melissa, a dedicated group is carefully giving back to help the public health facilities recover. The assistance is expected to help ease the bed shortage, crippling several hospitals. Details in this report from Jamaica Maitland.
From the Savile-Lamar Hospital in Westmoreland to Cornwall Regional in St. James, Nowell Homes in Hanover, and the Mandeville Regional Hospital in Manchester, the public health facilities have been receiving dozens of beds to boost capacity at the institutions.
With the initiative of these 80 beds for the hospital, it goes right across the various disciplines as it relates to medicine, surgical, even our operating theatre.
More than 260 beds have been donated through a joint venture being carried out by Just a Bunch of Roadies Jabor, Project Cure, and the Shaggy Make a Difference Foundation.
These beds will have us being prepared as our buildings are being repaired for our future clients to build back the resilience in our different ward spaces.
The Ministry of Health said some of the hospitals were extensively damaged during Hurricane Melissa. The administrations were forced to get creative to ensure that there was minimal disruption to health services. However, overcrowding at some facilities continue to be a challenge because there are not enough beds for the patients.
They will serve as replacements for some beds that we have on the ward that need to be replaced, and additional beds in some cases. These will go a far way in strengthening our ability to accommodate our patients in a more comfortable environment.
Our news team reached out to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton about the bed capacity at some of the most affected hospitals. However, we were unable to get the figures. A subsequent response from the minister revealed that the information is being collated. Dr. Tufton promised to provide the data as soon as possible. Meanwhile, entertainer Orville Shaggy Burrell says $3 million in medical aid has been provided so far, and he says more help is on the way.
Black River and Falmouth hospitals are intended recipients of those containers. Final delivery locations will depend on each hospital's readiness and capacity to receive the shipments.
The Bustamante Hospital for Children in St. Andrew received a lion's share of the aid. Monitoring the delivery is CEO Anthony Wood.
It belongs to... Oh yes, it's here.
That's it, I'm take it from
Yes.
Shaggy acknowledged the personal connection he's had with the hospital over the years. The staff, overjoyed by the amount of aid received, say they're committed to improving the quality of care for patients at the hospital.
Based on what we got, all the wards will benefit. And it was a very timely donation, and we've really appreciate it.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.